Hey, Tom from Tom's Tunes. We are here with this 1997, yet again another double decker. It's a 24-foot boat. It's 8 foot wide. So back in 97, it was kind of hit or miss whether it was going to be 8 or 8.5. This one is 8 foot. Definitely going to be some changes happening to this boat, including new beige railings, the luxury beige with tan diamond inlay. We haven't done a video with those seats yet. I think you're going to love them. It'll get a tan woven vinyl. Basically just bring this boat up to speed. It's got a great 90 horse Honda 4-stroke outboard on it, so no need to mess with that. It's a great motor, great potential, big pontoons. We're gonna make this happen. Let's go inside and take a peek. It's getting that vinyl weave. It's gonna get a little different seat layout. We're gonna end up getting rid of the starboard door, extending seating here. We will have seating all the way back to the port door when we redo it because the ladder is going to be out of the way and in the back. You've got a really tight access here to get to the back, and you can exit the stern. There's a swim ladder out back, which will still have a swim ladder on it, but I have to lift the cushion, open an accordion style door, then I can get out this teeny tiny little door here to go swimming. So we're gonna actually end up moving the motor and transom back, giving a square across back to get all 24 feet. New sun deck. We're excited for this project like we are with all of them, but the double deckers are just a little added fun. Double the fun. The upper deck is fit back on. Railings are getting started. Time to mock things up. See where it's going to end up laying exactly. You wouldn't even recognize this boat other than it's still a double decker. We did the tan woven vinyl flooring, so super low maintenance. Water's gonna run right off, it dries fast, and it's easy to clean. LED docking lights, LED navigation lights, new deck trim from PontoonStuff.com. This is a quick way to make your boat look really, really sharp right away. On the back of the boat, we have the heavy duty stainless ladder. This is a great ladder, 4 rung. As you can see, it goes all the way to the floor here, so plenty deep in the water to get on for everybody. And folds right up, flaps down, and you're ready to go. We're gonna go on the inside of the boat and take a look at what we did there. As you can see, we did the luxury beige with the tan diamond inlay. Lots of storage underneath these seats. Front 30-inch corner seats open up for lots of storage too. We get asked a lot, how are these different than the premium and the classic? These have a way more plush back with this pillow top, a nice soft pillow top. The butt cushion extends farther forward, giving you a little more support, a little more plush cushion here as well. Just a really comfortable seat, and they look amazing. This is one of those things that I think people don't realize how much storage you get out of these lean backs. This is the luxury lean back. Big, long 55-inch bench into a little corner seat. Lots of room to hang out. There's a removable table. The triangle table goes here, so it doesn't restrict the flow. We've got a really decked out console. If you come around, take a peek. Reclining helm chair. And then the console has the burlwood accents. So this is the gauge panel in burlwood as well as the switch panel. This boat got a lot of extras. This has the docking lights up front. It has interior LEDs under all the seats. So really nice, cool feature when you're cruising. Glove box for storage, lots of room in there for keys, owner's manual registration. For the ladder, we moved it. That's one of the biggest changes on this boat. The ladder used to be on the port side in the front, and it made it for a really small seat up front, kind of a goofy layout. We were able to move everything forward a little bit, and then we're able to put the ladder right behind the captain's chair.